Today we're making picadillo, a quick, flavorful, one-pan meal with beef, tomatoes, and potatoes. Easy comfort food, ready in minutes. The recipe is in the description box, so let's get started. In a skillet over medium heat, add a little oil, then the ground beef. Break it up as it cooks until it's browned, and drain any excess grease if needed. Next, add the diced onion and bell pepper and cook until softened for about 4 to 5 minutes. Add the garlic and cook for another 30 seconds, then stir in your spices. Now stir in the tomato sauce, beef broth, diced potatoes, carrots, and bay leaf. Bring it to a simmer, reduce the heat to medium-low, cover and let it cook until the potatoes are tender, about 25 to 30 minutes. Remove the bay leaf before serving and garnish with fresh chopped cilantro. And that's it. Now you have homemade picadillo. Serve it with rice, tortillas, or even over mashed potatoes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll like and subscribe and come back for more easy and delicious recipes.